tell us a little bit about Bonk Stick?
Yeah, Bonk Stick is my first Sportsman, so my first attempt at trying something this big and heavy, and you also notice it's a shuffling mechanism similar to thorax, but slightly different method. So thorax is called a scram beast walker. This is just a cam system that makes the shuffles a walking motion instead. So I also weigh about 20 kilos, and because of that, I'll just whack the giant weapon motor on it so I can punch holes in things.
And taking on Bonk Stick is Topple. So tell us a little bit about Topple.
Hello, yes, Topple. The Topple robot is a lifter and stacker mechanism. So when I pull back on my stick, the little white forks at the front come up, and then when I push forward on the sticks, the pink bits come forward. And the idea is to try and get underneath Bonk Stick and put it like a turtle somewhere.
Alright, we'll see how these two different designs play out in this battle. The drivers are ready, let's get this fight underway.
Green team, are you ready?
Ready?
Red team, are you ready? Commencing countdown.
In 3, 2, 1, fight! Both robots trying to move themselves into position. Bonk Stick firing that axe. Now, with it. Start a count in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the win goes to Topple.
Very good.